commercial cleaning contract business, Central Coast, New South Wales. This established business delivers high-quality cleaning services to a diverse range of clients. Offering the perfect blend of stability and growth potential, plus low overheads, no premises are required. Clients range from offices and shops to medical centres and factories across the Central Coast and Hunter region. The business subcontracts to Clean Corp New South Wales and AMC New South Wales, plus its own clients, covering 17 sites in total. Currently, a site supervisor manages the day-to-day operations, with the owner overseeing from home. This is an exciting opportunity for a couple or partnership or another cleaning business wishing to expand.